Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information.
Who is the only companion to be mentioned in Quran? Your options are option A Zaid radiyallahu anhu and option B Ali radiyallahu anhu. The right answer is option A Zaid radiyallahu anhu. How many sahifas were revealed upon Hazrat Shita alayhi salam? Your options are option A 30 or option B 50. The right answer is option B 50. Concerning which Nabi alayhi salam, it is well known that he reached Sarandeep and his sign is also famous there. Your options are option A Idris alayhi salam or option B Adam alayhi salam. The right answer is option B Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Where and when did Hazrat Adam alayhi salam and Hazrat Awwa alayhi salam met? Your options are option A 10th of Muharram or option B 9th of Zulhijjah at Arafah. The right answer is option B on 9th of Zulhijjah at Arafah. Who was prophesied to enter Jannah through all its gates? Your options are option A Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu or option B Umar radiyallahu anhu. The right answer is option A Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu. What is the meaning of Al-Hasib, one of the name of Allah? Your options are option A, the greatest, or option B, the sufficient. The right answer is option B, the sufficient. How was Qabil, the first murderer, killed on this earth? Your options are option A his blind son struck him with stones until he died or option B thunderstorm. The right answer is option A his blind son struck him with stones until he died. After Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, which Nabi came to the earth? Your options are option A Nuh alayhi salam or option B Hazrat Shita alayhi salam. The right answer is option B Hazrat Shita alayhi salam. What is the meaning of Al-Jalil, one of the name of Allah? Your options are option A, the sufficient, or option B, the majestic. right answer is option B, the majestic. What is the meaning of Al-Kareem, one of the name of Allah? Your options are option A, the most generous, or option B, the highest. The right answer is option A, the most generous.
Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.